Hi, I'm Brittany of WTI, and if you're wanting to get your gardens ready, you gotta check out this garden bed.
This is the two-piece 8x4 raised garden bed by Vegeworker, and was very easy to put together with the bolts and the nuts. When all were put in, you could just go in and tighten them with a drill and the ratchet tool that they give you. Once everything is all tightened up, it is very secure. We put down wood, pine needles, pine cones to add a little extra aeration and nutrients to our soil. It comes with a set of 2, so once one is done, it's easy to set up the second one. We put wire down to stop any pests from getting to our yummy goodies. And then once you layer with mulch and dirt, you can put on a nice layer of fertilizer on top and break up the clumps with a rake. For one of them, I planted a bunch of new things. I planted some pepper plants, planted some watermelon seeds. We also tried planting peanuts. There are just so many fun things you can do with these. And for the other garden bed, I used to expand our strawberry garden and planted the rest full of beautiful, delicious strawberries. These garden beds are not only beautiful, but they are sturdy and make it so easily accessible to water, to plant, to do everything that we need.
We really wanted to expand our garden and try a bunch new things, and these allowed us to do that. And that's my point of view.